Connecting Google Sheets to BigQuery allows you to import and analyze data stored in Sheets directly from BigQuery. Here's how to do it. Access BigQuery. Go to the Google Cloud Console and navigate to BigQuery. Open the BigQuery Data Transfer Service. In the BigQuery console, select Transfers from the navigation menu on the left and click on plus Create Transfer. Configure Data Transfer. Choose Google Sheets as the data source for the transfer. Authorize Google Sheets access. Click Authorize to grant BigQuery access to your Google Sheets account. Enter Google Sheets details. Specify the Google Sheets URL and select the relevant sheet or range you want to import. Provide the name for the transfer configuration. Set transfer schedule. Configure the schedule for the data transfer based on your needs. Create and start transfer. Click Save to create the transfer configuration. The data from your Google Sheets will now be regularly imported into BigQuery as specified. Query data in BigQuery. Once the data is in BigQuery, you can run SQL queries on it like any other BigQuery table.